Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I look a little rugged because I have like onion water, मतलब प्याज का पानी on my hair and some coconut oil. मेरे बाल बहुत गिरते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Today we are just going to a wedding. We're not really going to a wedding क्योंकि wedding तो already हो चुकी होगी जो आप vows देखते हैं on the internet के oh I take this person to be my lawfully wedded husband and wife वो तो हो चुके होंगे but we are going to a wedding ceremony reception for Tata's granddaughter. Tata is the lovely lady I used to live with before. तो उनकी granddaughter की जो है वो reception है. My mom's also invited and Azhar obviously is invited, so we're going there. Oh, I just took a shower and literally wore the same clothes. Sorry, my phone is sliding off and then the door is opening. It's an old house, guys. Our doors creak. So anyway, I'm just going to brush my hair out. I'm having like the most ridiculous hair fall of all times. Can you like stand still, brother? Okay. I don't know, this keeps sliding. I am going to use this argan oil in my hair. जब से मैंने इस बार bleach कराया है मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो गए हैं. So just going to work it. Be like a thin film on your hands and then just run your hands through your hair. मेरे तो वैसे ही इतने पतले बाल हैं तो I'm using the ordinary hyaluronic acid on my face first because I started using retinol to prevent signs of aging and acne and all that stuff. I do get very dry skin, especially around the neck area, like sorry, around the chin area, around this nose area. This Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrogel mask. In my humble opinion, this is a very shitty mask because I feel like iska jo hydrogel hai, that just allows the serum to not penetrate in your on your face, in your face, on your skin, whatever. So that's why it's a shitty mask, but you have to remove it from the film that it has the white cast on it. But first I'll just try to drench my entire face in the serum because उससे तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Max you can do is just utilize this serum. So now I'm just chilling on the bed with this mask on and maybe I'll just put like a lip mask on as well. I don't know why my lips, as you can see, have started getting a lot of hyperpigmentation around. Surely there should be a way to stop it. So this is the outfit that I'm planning to wear. Um, I really hope कि मुझे fit आ जाए. Somehow मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे छोटा हो गया है because I don't know, I'm just getting fat. Let's just do the hair first. So I'm just going to do like a straight hair middle part. That's it. I don't really know what to do with my hair और मुझे आपको पता है कितने hair styles आते नहीं हैं and I didn't want to curl it. So first and foremost, I am applying the Garnier Flat Iron Perfection Straightening Mist, which provides you around 450 तक की heat protection. So बालों में मैं इतना कुछ कर नहीं रही. I'm just straightening them, brushing them out, smoothing them out, and then straightening them. I wanted my hair to be very straight because I was just doing the middle part, and then I just removed the mask. And then I'm using my Kashi's brow pomade to do my eyebrows. It's just really good to create that thicker, fuller brow. आई फील लाइक अभी तक मुझे ब्राउ ब्लाइंडनेस है बाय द वे जो कि शायद 2015-16 से चल रही है, आज तक ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. एंड देन आई जस्ट पुट सम जेल ऑन माई आई एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग दिस मेकअप फॉरएवर hydra pencil, and this is in the shade black. It's actually a really good kajal pencil, guys. I don't use any other, like whenever this finishes I just get another one of this. लेकिन एक W7 की भी आती है if someone's looking for a dupe. I think W7 पाकिस्तान में मिलना शुरू हो गया तो उसकी भी आती है. Next, I'm just evening out my skin tone by using a taupe shade all over the eye, and for the Shadow itself, the palette that I'm using is the Huda Beauty Brown palette. It's actually a very good brow palette, eyeshadow palette, very good eyeshadow palette, brown colored palette. और उसका एक लाइट ब्राउन कलर लेकर जो कि है मैंने पहले क्रीज पे लगाया है और फिर जो सबसे डार्क ब्राउन कलर है that's what I'm using in my eye. First I'm putting it all over my lid, stamping it on. You don't need to worry about blending it right now because we're going to build the color later. My idea with this is to create a smoky Arabic kind of makeup look. I mean, we are attending a Lebanese wedding, Lebanese and Islander wedding. So it does seem fitting to make the eyes do all the talking. And if you can see, I have actually extended it quite further away from my eye, just blending it out with a fluffy brush with nothing on it and trying to create that smoky effect. Or usi brown ko jo hai, I also drag down under my eye. Then I'm using this sparkly color from this sparkly blue color, teal blue, from my Huda Beauty palette. And this palette is I've forgotten this palette's name, Mercury Retrograde. This palette is Mercury Retrograde, and I'm just putting everything on and then blending it out as I go. So just stamping it on so that the color doesn't shift too much. I wanted the brown and the blue to blend in together, and then wiping it off with a makeup wipe and creating that sharp line because I wanted my eye to look elongated and I wanted all the attention to go to the eyes. Now, because this was a wedding guest makeup, I did not want कि मैं खुद जो है I put on a lot of like makeup myself. So that's why I didn't do any falsies. I just put a lot of mascara on, and next I'm putting on hyaluronic acid. That's just because my skin has started becoming super dry and I want my skin to be a little bit more plump, a little bit more shiny. So I thought putting this on would, be helpful to me. It might make the look better, it might make the skin look smoother because I was suffering from a lot of dry skin. I mean, if you are wearing retinol every day, this is something that you would face. I'm just drying my face with the Dyson so that the product seeps into the skin better, and then I'm using this concealer. This is the Essence concealer that I'm using, and this is in the shade 025, I believe, and it's just very close to my natural skin tone, so I'm just using it. By the way, sorry that I look super yellow because the light is super yellow. Drying the concealer off and then applying this Nabila's foundation in 02. I went to Pakistan. I actually used a lot of Nabila and Musarat Misbah, and then I bought some with me because both the Nabila's foundation is really good as well, and Musarat Misbah is really good as well. So I was like, why not use Pakistani foundation? And somehow it does seem to work quite a lot on my skin. Now just applying it on the face and neck and then blending everything out in stamping motions. ये जो brush है वो भी Beautify by Amna का है. Guys, honestly, like if I don't have any QRs or affiliations with Beautify by Amna, but if you guys do like if you guys are still living in Pakistan, just buy these brushes, man. They last forever. So I think मैंने ज़िंदगी में 2 या 3 बार ये brushes ख़रीदे हैं, and I've washed them many times, and honestly it's a very good brush to have. Like all their brushes sets are quite good. Anyway, just stamping everything and then just pushing everything into the skin and then blending everything as I go. I know it looks like a lot right now, but we're going to blend everything together, and we're also going to go over with the makeup sponge. कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबा नहीं मैंने इस शॉट को रख लिया है, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है, but oh well, that's okay. Gives me some time to talk to you guys. Now I have this L'Oreal lipstick. It's in glittery rouge. And this was basically my sister's lipstick. Okay, I use it as a blush because it is a orangey red color, but honestly as a lipstick color, she bought it for a Christmas party. She was like, it looked really bad on her, and then I wore it and it looked okay on me, it didn't look bad, but then I was like, why not use it as a blush? And then I'm just using this contour. I don't remember where this, I mean, I remember where I got this contour from, but I don't know the brand or anything. I just got it at TK Maxx. It was just a really nice gray color. So पूरे parameters of the face पे मैं contour कर रही हूँ, and then I'm just using my brush to blend it out, but I'm using stamping motions. Stamping motions is very very necessary here, क्योंकि अगर आप उसको rub करेंगे या circular motions use करेंगे तो जो नीचे का foundation है ना वो उखड़ जाएगा. So just stamp everything on because we're going for a very glowy look. It's going to maintain that look as well. Stamp everything on, that's the most important part. And this makeup honestly looked so good towards the end of the night as well. There was a lot of dancing, but जब मेहनत की होती है ना foundation पे तो it does tend to look good. A thing that I've switched on to from my 20s to now that I'm 30 इसके मैं छोटे छोटे brushes use करती हूँ. पहले मैं बहुत बड़े बड़े brushes use करती थी, and honestly skin को इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं होती थी. Skin just looked really good still, but now I've started using really tiny brushes, and then I'm going over the foundation brush and going over everything just so that everything looks quite blended और कुछ ऐसा ना लगे कि कोई streaks हैं या कुछ है. So just going over everything. Also another thing is, I guess as you get older, powder is your enemy. So I'm literally using a pencil brush to apply the powder only in the areas that crease. So for me, that's like my under eye area. Around the nose, I get some cracks around the laugh lines, and that's about it. I don't powder my whole face because I mean, also because I've been using retinol, my entire face is already very dry, so I don't want to it to get worse. And retinol as well, by the way, don't use it every day. I made that mistake. I started using it every day and it started doing more damage to my skin than good. You're only supposed to use it 3 to 4 times a week until you build tolerance. And if you don't build tolerance, literally don't use it. So this is just the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 110. And I'm just using that very, very lightly to set my entire face. And I'm really trying to push the powder into my skin so that it blends with the makeup, okay, ताकि वो केकी नहीं हो और जो नीचे का फाउंडेशन है ना वो शॉक में ना आ जाए कि ये क्या है. So just be very very mindful of pushing everything into the skin and applying very small amounts, and also dabbing all the excess off. That's very important. The other day I was seeing Sonakshi Sinha do her makeup and I was like, oh my god girl, why are you dragging everything? I'm sorry, I have no idea what happened to the light, but I was applying this Makeup Forever wooden lip pencil, and this is the shade Ochre, and it's a really nice burnt brown, very close to my lip color shade. I was just using that as a base, and then on top of it I am going to be applying the Maybelline lip vinyl, that's in the shade Cheeky 10. वो भी बिल्कुल मेरे लिप कलर के करीब ही जो है वो शेड है. आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट्स हैपेंड टू द लाइट हियर. आई डोंट नो what's going on. Why has it become so bright all of a sudden? I mean, I'm not even using like natural, non-natural light, right? Also, while my makeup look completes, I just wanted to show you some wedding highlights from Rachel's wedding. So this is literally her story. um this is what we have missed so far in the wedding. I was really curious to see what's going on. And as a bride, she kept posting things which I love. So I was like, getting the flavor of whatever is happening in the wedding. This is the dress. It is finally on. And this is what I'm going to be wearing. And shukar hai ki fit aa gaya. And I've paired it up with my mother-in-law's earrings. Please watch for part 2 to see what happens in the wedding. See you guys.